Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and I do believe that the kitchen is the heart of the home, and so we were really happy to upgrade our kitchen sink with this one here from ANZZI. We recently remodeled this kitchen and we're so happy to place this sink. It has made a huge difference. This is a 33-inch apron front sink and it is a single basin, and I've never had a sink quite this big, but let me tell you, it makes all of the difference. You can fit huge pots in here and clean them easily, and it just makes everything so much easier to have all of that space. I really love the beautiful matte white finish and the fact that this has a solid core, so you can actually scuff and sand away any marks or discoloration without affecting the finish. So this is a man-made stone and it is very, very resilient and strong and durable. So we have definitely seen that to be the case in the several months that we've been using it, and I just absolutely love it. I think that bright white looks awesome with our butcher block countertops and our matte black faucet. I could not be happier with this sink. Every time someone comes in, they just mention how beautiful it is. Another cool feature is that there is a reversible design. So we chose the flat front. However, when you install it, you can actually use the other side and it has a decorative front, so you can choose whichever one you like best. So that's a nice touch as well. So if you're looking to upgrade your kitchen sink, I would highly recommend this one. It has been super durable, it's easy to maintain and clean, and it looks absolutely stunning. And that's my point of view.